If you're looking to connect your CRM with email marketing tools, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to seamlessly integrate your CRM with your email marketing software so you can automate and streamline your workflows. Stick around until the end because I'll be giving you access to an exclusive free trial of the software I'll be using to demonstrate this integration just for viewers of my channel. Let's dive in. First things first, why should you connect your CRM with your email marketing tools? The big benefit is that it saves you time and increases efficiency. It lets you manage leads, track communications, and send personalized emails directly from your CRM, all without jumping between multiple platforms. The software we'll be using today is known for being user-friendly and powerful. It integrates well with both CRMs and email marketing platforms. Now, let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Log into both your CRM and email marketing tool. In your CRM, head to the Integrations or App Marketplace section. This is where all available integrations will be listed. Step 2. Search for your email marketing tool in the marketplace. Whether it's MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, or another tool, chances are the integration is available. Once you find it, click on the option to connect. Step 3. Authorize the connection. You'll likely need to input your login credentials for the email marketing platform. This is how the systems will communicate with each other. Step 4. Customize the settings. Once connected, go to the settings in both tools. In your CRM, you might want to select which data you want to sync. This could include contacts, email engagement, or other relevant metrics. In your email marketing tool, make sure you're targeting the right lists and segments that sync with the CRM. Step 5. Test the connection. This step is crucial. Create a small test email or campaign and make sure it triggers correctly based on the data in your CRM. You want to ensure that the integration works as expected before you start using it on a larger scale. That's the basic process. You've just connected your CRM with your email marketing tool, and now you're set to send personalized emails and nurture your leads more effectively. Before we wrap up, here's your key takeaway. Integrating your CRM with your email marketing tools isn't just about automating tasks. It's about making your communication more personalized and effective. Syncing your systems can make a huge difference in how you engage with your audience and close more deals. Quick recap. Log in to both platforms, search for the integration, authorize the connection, customize the settings, and test the integration. That's it. And remember, if you want to follow along with this process, I've got an exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's available only for viewers of this channel, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.